my channel and to another packed video.
Okay, so as you enter the laundry room, this is my floors. This is now the paint that I eventually painted. I have the toilet. A couple of days ago, I am so proud that I managed to install the cistern. So this toilet is very much functional. And guys, the reason why I decided to keep this toilet in the laundry room is because as I said, that this is a fixer-upper house and there's no other toilet apart from the inside of the house on the outside. So I decided to keep it because I mean we are gonna be having people coming in and out to do, like, you know, outside work and stuff, or even inside, but I don't feel comfortable with having people to be going into my bathroom in the house. So I would rather have them use this bathroom and then, you know, clean and sanitize it each after each day of usage. So yeah, that's the whole point why I decided to have a toilet here on the outside. But also this toilet is gonna serve us when we are having a braai on the outside. Instead of going in and out of the house, you know, we can want to just quickly come this side because it's very close to our braai area. So let me just stop rambling and just show you guys around.
So in this little corner right here, that's where I am going to have my cabinet, and it's going to start right in front of my top loader, going all the way around. It's going to be an L-shaped cabinet, and it's also going to hold my sink on the other side, hence the reason why I left my drainage pipe there open and the water inlet pipes as well. It's gonna be very, very close to the toilet. So yeah.
So I had planned to put this plant there in the corner, but it doesn't fit because the pot is quite big. But I'm not mad because here it's gonna get enough light. The sun is on the other side, so, and also the fact that, you know, as you come in, it is now hiding the pipes there just a little bit, even though I may have to scooch it a little bit towards the right when I finally do the cabinet. But yeah, let's continue decorating.
So I also got this basket from Pep Home for $129.99, but unfortunately it didn't work for my shelf. I actually wanted to throw in some pegs, or maybe in future, you know, throw in some dryer bowls inside, but it didn't work, so I ended up using it to store my washing powder, and I put it in the corner. I know the space isn't done completely, but I love it regardless. And here are the before shots. Someone might be wondering, how did I achieve the pattern on the wall? I made a stamp with my off-cut wood, and then I attached with a glue gun some sponges in the front that will absorb the paint as I stamp it, and I made this stamp here. But yeah, I do love how it also turned out. I was very worried that it wasn't going to work, but it did, and I love it. If you haven't seen some of these before, I do have a playlist of DIYs, and also some of the stuff I actually do post them on Instagram first, but not the whole tutorial. So do catch me on Instagram as well to see what I do on a day-to-day.